Hello and welcome. I'm your instructor, Ravi Bajwa, and I'm excited to guide you through this course on Microsoft Azure Administrator. This course is designed by NetSoft IT Academy to provide you with the skills and the knowledge necessary to manage Azure cloud environments and become proficient in Microsoft Azure Administrator. Are there any prerequisites? Yes, quite a few. So before we dive into the content itself, let's review the prerequisites for this course. Having a solid understanding of the following foundational concepts will help you to succeed. The first prerequisite is compute fundamentals. Knowing how computing systems and resources work is essential for managing virtual machines, virtual networks, and other services on Azure Cloud Platform. The next prerequisite is networking fundamentals. Understanding basic networking concepts like IP addressing, subnets, routing, and firewall is crucial for managing network-related Azure services. The next one is AAA concepts: authentication, authorization, and auditing, in that sequence. So the familiarity with AAA concept will help you to understand how user access and resources are actually managed, how to actually create a secure structure, and how to define privileges. The next prerequisite is storage fundamentals. A basic understanding of data storage, including file systems, database, and storage protocols is important, as Azure provides a wide range of storage services. The next one is security fundamentals. Understanding the basic of security, such as encryption, firewall, and access control, will help you to secure your Azure environment. Now, what are the objectives of the following episodes? There will be multiple episodes in this list, right? So this course will cover a wide range of topics to ensure that you gain a comprehensive understanding of Azure and its services. By the end of this course, you should be able to understand cloud computing concepts, where we will explore cloud computing basics, including its key benefits, deployment model, and service model as well. So you can grasp a foundation of cloud computing, like Azure platform. And this information can also be used for Google platform as well as AWS. They all are using cloud concepts only. The next, we will dive into Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform itself, where we will gain an in-depth understanding of Microsoft Azure, its services, tools, and the overall architecture, or you can say the structure of this platform. You'll learn how to navigate through Azure portal and manage resources inside it effectively. And at the end, we will dive into Azure Cloud Services and Features, where we will learn about different services offered by Microsoft Azure, such as compute, storage, networking, and security. Remember, Microsoft Azure offers a lot of services. We will only take care of the core services. We'll explore how to provision and manage these services and how they integrate with each other to build a solution on Azure Cloud. So in summary, this course will empower you with the skills needed to work as an Azure administrator, covering essential concepts in cloud computing and the Microsoft Azure platform. We'll take you through everything from fundamentals or fundamental services to advanced topics as well, ensuring that you are well prepared to handle cloud environment effectively. So stay tuned for more detailed lessons ahead. And I'm excited to help you on your Azure journey. Let's get started.